Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to show how many quantities have been sold of the particular product on the product detail page. Okay, so first of all we will go to the admin panel. So localhost demo product of admin. So let's log in first. Catalog products. We are going to add a simple product. This we have a demo. SKU demo 123 price 12. Quantity 111. Select this category in stock. Save. Done. Let's go to the page. So let's demo.html. Demo.html. This is the product, and you can see the current sold quantity is 0. So I'm going to add this cart. Go to the checkout. Proceed to checkout page. So I'm going to just add this product and check the quantity. Let's check the order number and let's demo product where it is linking. So let's go to the demo product over search demo. This is demo one. You can see that one product quantity is sold. Okay, so how we are going to show this? So let's check out the video first. So let's go to the video tutorial. So here we can go with the HTML, and here in the demo Magento project community app code Rajnikant product sold. This is the current structure etc module.xml. So this is product sold. After that we have helper class. So it is at the last. View registration.php, you know that. View front end. So you know that for the product we have the layout, that is catalog product view.xml. So here I am going to add a HTML file in the reference container and the block, that is sold count.phtml. Okay, so just product info stock SKU, right? There I am going to add this, call this block. And in this block what I have written, just show the sold quantity. If I go and check that the template file product sold quantity, you can see this I have adding the product sold get sold quantity by product ID, and this dot get product ID. You will get this, and you will show the product on the basis of product ID. You will get how many quantity it is sold. This is a helper class. So let's take a look of that helper class. Go to the helper. We have data.php. So here we are going to get sold quantity by product ID. By default it is null. So this we are calling the product collection factory, right? So resource model product sold collection factory we are using. And after this you can see that we get add ordered quantity, how much quantity it is ordered by the product, and return the count, right? How much quantity it is ordered. You can also see that on the dashboard. If I go to the dashboard here, where the dashboard it is, oh no, this search demo, this is the dashboard. If I go to the dashboard, so it is not showing. Last order is this one by test. Most view customers, best sellers, orders. Last order it is showing, not the full one. So there is no, I guess, the order details over here. But here we can say that how many quantities that we have ordered currently. This is that we have ordered the new product, right? And this, yeah, you can see that the product number of sold. And you can if I again add this product and go to the cart and place this order, then see again the product quantity is gonna be 2. Place this order, search the demo. You can see the product quantity sold is 2, right? So this is how we can show the how many quantities is sold on the product detail page, so that customers come to know that this much quantity, that means the best seller or something like that. They have the vision of that. Okay, so this is how we can show the number of quantities sold of a given product on the product detail page. And I hope you will understand the video understand what exactly we have done. So basically, overview is like we have the catalog product view page. On that page, we have a reference container we have called a block. On block, we have fetching or manipulating the data, like how much quantity it has been ordered. That's it. So you can also play with the things like if you want to show how many stocks left. So in the next video we are going to learn how to show number of stocks left on the detail page. Correct? So be with us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment for more videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.